Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K55 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard special buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the keyboard. Right here we've got buttons from G1 to G6. These buttons are responsible for your custom macros. Next, take a look at the top part of the keyboard. Right here we've got the M button, thanks to which we can start creating macros. Then we've got the lightning button, thanks to which we can enable and disable lighting. Next we've got this lock button, thanks to which we can enable or disable Windows lock hotkey. And here is the indicator for the Windows lock hotkey. Right here we've got the media panel, and here we've got the second part of the media panel. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.